The dancehall prodigal son Gully Bop is finally warming up and seems to have found 2 new hit songs after all the drama since December 2015 up to his departure from that legal lunatic Amari. Let's take a listen to 2 tracks that I think could be potential hits if you're a Gully Bop fan. The first sample is a song called Pineapple, a song that was lost in the shuffle of the drama for the past 7 months. And the second song is a song called Arumde, a song that was released about 2 days ago.
Monday morning in my pine crop, Tuesday evening in a pine crop. I pay a sugar loaf pine one pop. Them a pine now, hot. You want the pine with the mac up on top, mac up on top. You want the pine with the mac up on top, mac up on top. Buck up on a girl in our pineapple frap, pineapple baggy and pineapple socks. What you say you want again? Pineapple cock. What's this? Red Bull touchdown and book after me. To me don't got the wings, see me fly really free. Jack and soldier down, I blow fire upon me. But 2 people than distance side of me. And him a fireman, fire can't hurt me. What you want red stripe, come down to strike me. Brr. Red stripe can't manage the goalie. So they send for the one, here red label wine. Red label could not taste, so in call Magnum.
People, I am not going to evil lie. I had basically written off Gully Bop. I basically had the hammer in my hand and was ready to put the final nail in his coffin. He was headed down a path of self-destruction and it was getting increasingly worse. And I was ready to label him gone and forgotten. People, the truth of the matter is that these songs are only decent, but based on Gully Bop's standard and style, they are pretty good. And if you like nursery rhyme kind of lyrics, you would like these 2 songs. Plus, they are better than the other songs he's been making over the past few months, with Amari sounding like a crying hyena. I don't think we'll ever see the Gully Bop from Sting 2014 again when he ripped the show apart. This hype will never be there again. This is because his style and lyrics are predictable and repetitive. But this is his style and it works for him, so we must give him credit. One thing I realized with Gully Bop is that the people have given him a free pass and pardoned him from things that other artists could not get away with. Gully Bop has now gotten a 3rd lease on life, and I sincerely hope he takes advantage of this 3rd chance. Because I don't think there's another chance. But Gully Bop is lucky more than he's good, so I would not bet against him. I actually like these 2 songs for the simplicity and Gully Bop standard. It is not the standard of music that I consider great, but it works for Gully Bop, so that is what is important. If it works for him, then it works for me. People, you've heard the 2 samples or the complete song. What do you think about these 2 songs? Is Gully Bop's stock rising again? Will these 2 songs take him from being the king of social media scum drama back to being relevant in the dancehall arena? Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.